Welcome back students, welcome to AD Online Tutorials again. So today we will be learning how to prepare chart for trigonometric ratios. Just one thing you remember, you are required to remember the value of sin theta and everything will come automatically by the techniques, and follow the techniques very carefully. It is very simple. In exam, when you sit in your board exams, while you read questions, after reading questions, you prepare this chart on the back side when you are allowed to write on the answer sheet, and it will be very beneficial to you in many cases. In for 1 marks, for 3 marks question, for 5 marks question, it will become very beneficial for you, and you no need to do by heart. You just learn sign values, and everything will come trick by using some tricks, certain tricks. So sin 0 is 0 degree, it is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 90 is 1. Okay, this is the value you are required to understand properly. If you understand this technique properly, then you will be able to solve any kind of question associated with exercise 8.2 very easily. So sin theta, I wrote the value. For cos theta, I will reverse it. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and then 0. Okay, tan theta is equal to what I told you yesterday. Tan theta is equal to P upon B. So I can write it. I can divide both numerator and denominator by hypotenuse, P by H and B by H. So P by H becomes sin theta and B by H becomes cos theta. Okay, so tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, I can write. So 0 by 1, and always remember 0 by 1 is equal to 0 and 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. This much you are required. So 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2, this much you note it. Next one is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So it becomes 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. So 2 cancel, it will become 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Next is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Same number divided by same number gives you 1. Next is root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. That is equal to root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 cancel, and you will get root 3. And 1 by 0, I told you 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. Write it infinity. Okay. Tan theta you got the value. So you reverse it. You reverse all the values here. Infinity, root 3, 1 by root 3, and 0 in cot theta. Now what is left? Cosec and sec theta. So cosec theta I told you yesterday again. On the last class of the first video of trigonometric series, I told you cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. So 0, 1 by 0. Cosec 0 is equal to 1 by 0. That is equal to infinity. It is cosec 30, 1 by 2, that is 1 divided by 1 by 2, that is 1 into 2 by 1 is equal to 2. 1 by root 2, or you can directly reciprocal it, reverse it. Root 2 by 1, that is root 2. It is root 3 by 2. You write it 2 by root 3. And it is 1 by 1. It will become 1 itself. And for sec theta, you just reverse this technique. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and infinity. I hope you all guys have understood this trick. This trick is very easier. Okay, just remember this trick and write it in your board exams when you are allowed to write. Don't write before on the question paper earlier in your board exams or in any kind of exam. Okay, so thank you very much. I am signing off and I will be coming soon for the next exercise 8.2. Thank you.